You know, it's nice to be able to confidently offer a complete suspension system that will exceed the ride, driving, and performance expectations of the customer. The TeraFlex Sport ST offers everything the Jeep will need to make that happen. And the Sport ST does it at a lift height and price point to suit your budget. Although the ST or Street and Trail suspension system is our most affordable complete system, that in no way implies that it's a lesser kit. Designed for the daily driver that enjoys a weekend on the trail, this maintenance-free bolt-on kit includes all the necessary components to create a great ride and handling lifted Jeep. Things like springs and/or coil spring spacers, bump stops, front sway bar disconnects, and of course, each of the suspension systems includes control arms or caster correcting brackets for a good solid driving experience. This is a bolt-on system with preset control arms that make it so the Jeep will not even need a wheel alignment after lifting. It's perfect for the do-it-yourselfer. The Sport ST suspension system can be installed on Friday, wheeled on Saturday, and driven to church on Sunday. TeraFlex, elevating the fun your Jeep has to offer.